All right, good evening, guys. This is Jeff here. Today is Monday, December 30th, just a couple of days ahead of New Year. So I just wish every one of you is having a great holiday season with your families and your friends. As many of you already know, I'm planning launch a brand new, I would say, series of videos from 1/1/2025, which is just a few days later, I guess. And of course, I want to do it in a different language. For many of you already know me, you know me from my day-to-day live show during the market hours. During that show, we talked about what is exactly happening right now in the markets, what's the big news for today, and what is going on, what's the individual stocks movements, so on and so forth during my daily live show. But that show is actually in Chinese, right? Only for those people who understand Chinese, you can actually pick up my opinions from the live show and you can communicate with me in Chinese. But after giving, I would say, quite some time thinking of it, I've tried something really new. I want to do some videos in English, right, with a new concept. But the major thinking of it is, after 3 years live show day to day in Chinese, I feel it could benefit more people who can actually understand English, but not able to pick up Chinese. I also want to do something different in terms of the contents of the video, right? As I mentioned before, during the live show, it's more about as of the moment, right now. What's the biggest influencing factors to the market? What is going on? What is the trend? How are we supposed to respond to those informations? It's live. Nothing wrong with it. I'm gonna continue to do it. Even in next year and after I launch this new series of videos, right? And I definitely see the value of doing the live show. I definitely encourage anyone who can understand Chinese participate my live show. And if you don't understand Chinese, no worries. You can still come in and leave any comments in the chat room in English. I can still pick up your questions and answer your questions, right? But that is the routine part of the day. Now from 1/1/2025, I also want to open up a new type of videos, right? In this video, I want to show you exact trading activities that I have done every day. I want to show you, first of all, the value change of my account. No, really doesn't matter, like, I get more money or I lose some money for the day, because I really think stock trading is really a long-term thing to go. Doesn't really matter for the day that you lost or you kind of received additional money by having your stock price going up, right? It matters in short time, but more importantly, the logic you applied, the way that you manage your account, the balance you have between stocks and cashes, right? A lot of factors are actually the real key to the success. And a lot of those things are actually not covered by, I would say, many YouTubers, right? So I would say the biggest reason why I want to do this, or I want to try this type of videos from 2025 is actually, I actually want to show the real kind of the day of a professional traders. Not only during YouTube programs or videos when I actually talk about how I like the market for the time being, or I really don't like to trade any stocks during a specific period of the year. I want to show you exactly what I bought, what I sold, and also take some time to explain what's the logic that I applied for this trading, right? Why I specifically spent that money, purchased this X share of the stocks, what's the current stock ratio versus cash ratio in my account, so on and so forth. I want to put everything into a real life. So I'm not gonna say like, by doing so you will receive some additional information so to guide your personal trading according to my video. But I would say hopefully no matter it's a good day or a bad day, right? By showing the real change of my account, by showing the real trading activities, it can give you some either good or like not so good advices, right? If you by any chance by saying any specific trading activities, if it can inspire you, if you really like it and think by watching Jeff's video can give me some additional information or advices, and eventually give you a positive result on managing your stock account, that would be really good, right? So I strongly recommend you guys and encourage you guys subscribe my channel and leave any comments or recommendations down below this video. All of the comments, I will read through all of them and see if there's anything I can improve in future. Well, I mean, for sure, the first biggest difference for many of you guys who already know me, you've noticed the language, right? It's no longer Chinese language. It's kind of more universal English here. Well, I mean, as all of you can tell, English is not my first language, right? I guess very like all of the kind of second language speaker, my English is not perfect. And let me apologize in advance, right? If you think Jeff's English is not so good, or you may have some troubles to understand, the English words come out from my mouth, I apologize that in advance. And let me know, right? Because it takes some time. It takes like maybe longer than originally think, right? Longer time to improve and satisfy the customers, satisfy the audiences, right? If you think there's any specific thing I can do in English speaking language, let me know, especially from all of the native language speakers. If you think, you have some troubles or you have some challenges, fully understand, tell me, right? I don't hesitate. I'm very open to receive any advices, from you guys, native English speakers, right? But hopefully, for most of the things, for the majority of the contents that I upload into my YouTube channel, hopefully they're good enough for basically everyone, clear enough to receive the message from me, understand everything that I say, and that's definitely my intention, right? So bear with me a little bit longer if you think it's a hard time for you to pick up, the real information here. I'm gonna do better and better. Secondly, when I try to kind of think through this video, I really want to call out one thing, and that thing is very important for me actually. I guess a lot of people or some, let's say some YouTubers, right, in order to satisfy or entertain their audiences, they will do some tradings maybe they don't fully understand, or they think, it's so boring if you don't do any sell or buy during the day and you have nothing to share with your audiences. It's not going to be the case here. I will be very honest with you. If I don't feel fully comfortable of, either purchasing some stocks or selling some stocks during the day, and actually, as a matter of fact, it's very likely I won't trade any, right? I won't trade any just for this program purpose. I won't really trade any just to tell you guys, I was really active during the day. It's not the case. And if think about it, right? If there's anyone trade every single day, it may not be a very good strategy to either copy or apply to your own account management, right? So I will just stick to myself. I will just stick to, my kind of usual daily routine in terms of trading. If I think there's an opportunity, I will definitely go for buying. If I don't think it's a good time to hold them anymore, I will go for selling. But again, all the money that I'm using to either buy or sell, they are 100% my money. They are 100% from the real money world, right? There's nothing like I think I will do to jeopardize the value of this account by just showing you guys how active I was. So I think it's gonna be the case. I don't know, but it's gonna be the case that for several days consecutively, you don't see any tradings. It either could be because my account value is going up so steady, right? I'm super satisfied with the trend my account is going to, or I really feel the market is not good enough to invest more, simply because there will be some big significant uncertainty or something that people are not 100% sure coming out in the next few days. We need to wait for that information come out first and then decide what the trend of the market will be after that, and then we can either sell or buy, right? There could be either way. So what I'm saying here is, please do not expect that I will trade every single day. And honestly, I would say nobody should, right? For anything that you will see from my account management, from the real day trading, it's 100% real. It's 100% the money activity, right? So I will be 100% transparent. I'll be 100% honest. There's nothing I will kind of manipulate for the trading, right? I don't simply just want to buy Tesla because a lot of people discuss Tesla. I won't really sell some holdings that already generate times revenue simply because someone think it's enough, right? I will just do myself, perform myself, and hopefully, throughout the whole year, you and me, we can see a positive result, come out from this account, right? So, all right, this is kind of the episode number 1 introduction before 1/1/2025. We officially kick off, the real show, the real presentation of my account. So I hope you like this video. I hope you will enjoy this brand new series of video that we will do together. For tomorrow, I will start to show you my account and basically level set how much money I already have in this account, what existing stock that I already own in this account, right? But at the end of the day, the official day to kick off this account management kind of series of video is the first trading day, which is January 2nd. Quite exciting, and I will be very honest right now with you. It's both challenging and exciting. It's more challenging than what I originally thought. I thought, given the fact that I have done 3 years live show every single day, and I have been on many interviews, of course, with Chinese language, I won't be nervous. But actually, yes, I am. I'm still nervous right now when I'm talking. So, hopefully we do good. Hopefully we enjoy this new series of videos together and have a really positive outcome at the end of the year. Thank you very much. I hope you again subscribe my channel and start to follow up my day-to-day trading activities. I will see you guys tomorrow.